Hi everyone, this video is on oral cancer. What is oral cancer? Oral cancer includes cancers of the mouth and the back of the throat. Oral cancers develop on the tongue, on the tissue lining of the mouth and the gums, under the tongue and at the base of the tongue, and the area of the throat at the back of your mouth. So, what is a oral cancer? In this condition, the tissues, which are the group of cells inside the oral, means inside the oral cavity, multiply very fast, leading to a formation of a group of mass of cell which is called as a tumor. This tumor, it is formed up by the damaged cells, group of damaged cells. So what happens is in oral cancers, the tissues and the cells which are present in our mouth, they multiply very fast and become a mass or a group of cell which is called a tumor. This oral cancer can be seen on the tongue, on the tissue lining of the mouth and the gums, under the tongue, at the base of the tongue and the area of the throat at the back of the mouth. So ये जो ओरल कैंसर है ये कहीं भी हमारे माउथ में हो सकता है, जैसे हमारे टिश्यू लाइनिंग ऑफ द माउथ, गम्स में, टंग में, एट द बेस ऑफ द टंग. So this is oral cancer. Oral cancer most often occurs in people over the age of 40 and affects more than twice as many men as women. Most cancers in the mouth are related to tobacco use, drinking alcohol, or both, and most throat cancers are caused by the human papilloma virus. So, oral cancer it is most oftenly seen in the 40 years old individual. सो ओरल कैंसर 40 ईयर्स की एज में देखा जाता है और इट इज़ सीन इन मेन एज कंपेयर टू वुमेन. इट इज़ सीन मोर इन मेन as twice as many men as women. And this cancer, which is in the mouth, it is related to the tobacco use, drinking alcohol, and the throat cancer, which is at the back of the throat. It is caused by a virus which is called as the human papilloma virus. Now, what are the causes of the oral cancer? So the main cause of the oral cancer is the tobacco and the alcohol use. Tobacco use of any kind, including cigarette, pipe and cigar, and electronic cigarette smoking, as well as chewing tobacco and snuff, puts you at a risk for developing oral cancers. Heavy alcohol use also increases the risk. Using both tobacco and alcohol increases the risk even further. So the cause of oral cancer is the tobacco and the alcohol use. If we use tobacco, cigarettes, or we drink too much alcohol, it can lead to the oral cancer. It can cause the mutations in the cells which are present in the mouth, which is present in the oral cavity. This can defect the cells, leading them to multiply very fast. Age. Risk increases with age. Oral cancer most often occur in people over the age of 40. So mostly ये जो oral cancer है ये 40 years की age में देखा जाता है. Sun exposure. Cancer of the lip can be caused by sun exposure. So lip cancer, when an individual gets a lip cancer, it is often caused by the sun exposure. Now the genetics. People with inherited defects in certain genes have a high risk of mouth and middle throat cancer. So ये जो oral cancer होता है ये genetics की वजह से भी होता है. Means if an individual has inherited a defective gene from his/her parents, this defective gene can cause the oral cancer and also the middle throat cancer. So these are some of the symptoms of the oral cancer. If you have any of these symptoms for more than 2 weeks, see a dentist or a doctor. A sore throat, lump or thick patch in your mouth, lip or throat. A white or red patch in your mouth, persistent sore throat, a feeling that something is caught in your throat or hoarseness or loss of your voice, a lump in the neck, difficulty chewing, swallowing or speaking, difficulty moving your jaw or tongue, swelling of your jaw that causes dentures to fit poorly or become uncomfortable, pain or bleeding in the mouth, numbness in your tongue or other areas of your mouth, ear pain. So, these are some of the symptoms which are seen in the oral cancer. And if you get any of these symptoms more than 2 weeks, then you are advised to see a dentist or a doctor. सो ओरल कैंसर में क्या होता है कि इरिटेशन देखने को मिलती है, लंप और थिक पैच इन योर माउथ, लिप और थ्रॉट, मीन्स देर इज अ वाइट और अ रेड पैच फॉर्म्ड inside your mouth which can further lead to the oral cancer. So these are the symptoms of the oral cancer. So now you know what is a oral cancer and you know what are the symptoms and the causes of the oral cancer. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more videos.